Netafim irrigation for the home garden for a standard raised bed. I've used soaker hoses for a lot of years successfully to irrigate my garden beds, but I wanted something that wouldn't break as easily and could be custom designed to fit perfectly. The metal piece on the right has two ends to screw into, one for the hose and one for the Netafim connector. Next, I will show how we used Teflon plumber's tape to make that connection tighter. I don't have it on here right now. We tried just using a washer, but the Netafim piping was too wide of diameter and the washer just slipped right inside of it. I also found out belatedly that the washers had fallen out of the hose end of the connector, so I had to add that back in. I recommend you apply the Teflon tape before you attach the other parts. I put 2 layers of Teflon tape around so that the outer end would be going in the same direction as the connector part would be screwing on. That way it wouldn't get bunched up the wrong direction. Just pull it to break it. Okay, so you think that's probably good?
It's worth a try.
Please verify it's not on tight enough.
Leakage control. Good job, Boo.
Now back to the beginning where I just lay out the Netafim pipe so that it fits perfectly in the raised bed. The piping can be cut easily with scissors. The main thing is to find 2 of the drip irrigation holes that are about 12 inches apart and to cut between them so that you make the best use of them. Then just a little bit of pushing and turning attaches the Netafim piping to the connector. The other end of the Netafim needs to be cut so that it can be folded over, and that's what will keep it from leaking out the end. I used little scrap pieces of 1-inch diameter PVC pipe to slip over the folded end of the Netafim pipe. They sell pieces that can do the same thing, but the fellow at the store even recommended that I just cut little sections of 1-inch black irrigation tubing, and that would do the same thing. Fabric pins to hold the Netafim piping in the position I wanted. It's supposed to be about a foot away from the edges, so a couple feet between the pieces of piping, so you just should need 2 lengths per 4-foot wide raised bed.
Boo. Nice work.